All right, good afternoon. Right, it may be night where you are presently. Good day, everyone. Welcome to this channel. You're welcome to this channel. In this channel, we upload videos that help you, your business, give you tips to grow your business, and enhance you with skills that will help you in your business, from graphics to branding to marketing to whatsoever that will help you in your business. All right, so in this tutorial, we've been working on a series, and this is a continuation of the series working on the interface of Pixellab. All right, so without any delay, let's launch into the tutorial. Today we'll be looking at the menu, the text menu, and we'll check each option on the menu. Right, so for you to work on the text, you need to click on the A icon, the alphabet A icon, which is the second button on the last panel. Right, so you click on it. Now, when you have not selected a text on your workspace, when I say workspace, I mean where your design, I mean this place where your design is located. We have not selected a text. If you select a picture and not a text, you select a picture, it will still be like this. You have two options. One, the plus, which is to create your text, then the quotation mark, which is to select any of your quotation. When you click on this guy, you see it gives you the opportunity to create a new text. Right, now when you do that, the new text is selected, then you have options to work on the text. Is that okay? So but I want to delete that. Then the next one is quotes. See, just select any quotes you want to. We have worked on this before, so right, so when you want to work on, let's imagine you want to work on this L, right? L. So the first thing you have is your styles. Maybe you want to save, or you want to select any style. Right, I want to use this, but I don't want to. Right, just select. If any of this appeal to you, you can make use of it. And if you want to save a particular style, just click OK. So it will be saved. See my styles. Can you see? Can you see? So if I click on this guy and go to, go to my styles, and I click on this, it will change it to the same color and the same style. Right, but I don't want to do that, so let me undo. Okay, now the next thing is edit. Edit is where you change the content of your text. You just click on it. You can change this to love is always the way forward. We love to love, right? But edit is where you change the content of your text. Right, all right. Delete is, we know what delete is. When you put it in a trash can, just take it away, delete, and it's deleted. Right, but I don't want to do that. Copy is, you want to have another you want to have two texts, like you want to have the same text in two places. Yeah, that's copy. When I click on it, you see I have another text. Right, so let me delete one. I only need one. Now to front, imagine you're working. Okay, let me quickly create a shape. Alright, let me see. I want to put the shape here. Let me give it a color. Alright, now this shape has covered my text, right? So let me go back to my text menu, select the text. Now if I click to front, it will bring it to the front and place it over whatsoever else that is inside the design, right? So let me just click it to front. Can you see it's now at the front? It's now in front of the shape I created, right? Now let me select it again and say to back. Can you see that's gone to the back of all the layers? Is that okay? But I don't want to do that, so let me bring it back to the front and let me delete this shape, right? So let's go back and let's select it again. Then the next thing is position. Position is a way to move your elements around. Is that okay? And you have the distance. You have up to 20 pixels to move it. Is that okay? So you move it upward, downward, the right to the left, reduce distance. Let's see. So position is to move your text, and it's applicable in your shapes too, and your images, other elements. It's just to move things around. Is that okay? Most times it's very, very useful when you want a perfect alignment. Dragging with your hand may not be that perfect, so you might want to just adjust it to 1 pixel, 2 pixel, 3 pixel to a particular place, right? Okay. Now the next one is relative position. Now relative position is different from position because it is specific, right? So you have to the right, that's your far left, far right, to the center, yes, and to the middle, yeah. Then you have top, you have bottom, right? So it's very clear. It's as simple as that. All right. Then the next one is size. You can change the size of your fonts. You have as much as 255. Now, what if you have more than 255? You want more than 255? See this by this white circle at the left bottom of your text. You can just use your finger and drag it. If you need more than that, you can drag it. Use it to drag it. Is that okay? Well, the maximum you can set here is 255. Is that okay? All right. So let's go back. Let me reduce it a bit. Okay. All right. So the next thing is padding. Yes, padding is space. Yes, you want to give space. Is spacing, giving space to your text. As simple as that. Now color, you know what that does. You also want to change your color, so change it to black, red, whatever it is you want to change it to. Now let's imagine that the color you want is not here. What do? You click on this plus icon, just click on it, then you have this color wheel, right? Then you can select your color, change the what's it called, the saturation from the first panel here, right? Can change the thickness from here, and you can change the opacity from the last panel here, the last box here, right? So let's say I want 100% opacity. I want it as dark as this, and I want something pink. Alright, orange. I don't know if that's brown or orange. Okay, I think this is orange. Getting close. Alright, then click OK. See? And it will be added to the colors you have here. Now, another option you have is that you might decide to just change the color of a single letter, right? And in some cases, when you have okay, let's make use of this guy. Okay, in some cases when you have more than one line, you can decide to change the color of the first line, so you can highlight it from here, right? Change the color like that. Can you see? It's as simple as that. So you can select, you can highlight the particular word or letter or sentence you want to give color to, right? So it's as simple as that. Then you can make use of gradient. Gradient is the mixture of two or more colors or two or more variants of the same color. You can have a deep blue, a light blue, and a lighter blue mixed together. Okay, let's just check it out. Let's change this guy. The love, let's change it to a gradient, right? So these are the gradients that are available. So let's just try and use this guy, right? And now you can make use of you can create your own gradient. Excuse me, create your own gradient. All right, so how to create your gradient? To create your own gradient, you have these two sliders. So this is a color, the one that control the color. They control your colors. They are sliders and they are pickers, right? So just click on it and come to this paint bucket icon by the far right. Click on it. Then we are back to our color wheel, right? We are back to our color wheel, so you can select any one. Right, click OK. Then here, select the second one and pick another color that you think is okay. Can you see? Now you can have more than one colors. So what you do is click on the plus icon. Yes, then you have another slider. Then you can remove it. For you to remove any of the sliders, you must click on it first, then you remove it. So I want to click on the middle one and click on minus, right? So the next button here is to change the selection of your button, of your slider, right, to the right and to the left. And the one here, this button is to change the position, the color, the position of the sliders from right to left or left to right. Now At the top, you will see 6 squares, right? Okay. Excuse me. So they are used to change the type of gradient. When I say the type, it means how they look, not the color this time, but how your gradient will be placed. Okay, so let's just check it out. I'm going to click on the 6 of them for you to know how they will look. See, there's the first one, the second one, third, the fourth, the fifth, and the sixth. It's actually the positioning of those colors. And now, if the positioning of all these 6 doesn't suit what you want to do, you have these two highlighters or 2 circles. You can use it to draw, to determine the position of the color, right? It's very, 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 very nice to work with, right? Okay, so I will just click on OK. And now, one more thing before I leave this place. If you want to make use of a particular color that is already existing on your design, just select the slider where you want the color to be. Click on the paint bucket. Now at the top, you can decide to impute your color codes. You want to do that, just click on the pencil icon and put your color codes, right? You can use your X numbers or you can use your RGB values, right? Then, but if you want to use a pre-existing color in your design, what you do is that you click on this eyedropper icon, then you just click on it. Then these are the elements I have. So imagine I want to use this yellow. I just click on it and I check. See, I have the yellow here. Can you see? So let me select this and imagine I want to change this color to this, right? You see, I have this color, right? Okay, so let me just click on OK. Can you see? That's the effect of the gradient, right? Okay, so that will be all. We're going to continue because this tutorial is getting long. We're going to have the next we're going to touch other functions of the text menu and text options in another tutorial. See you there.